After 9.5 years of traveling 5.3 billion kilometers, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, spacecraft New Horizons will get within 12,500 kilometers of Pluto within minutes. The spacecraft has been sent specifically to take pictures of Pluto, a part of the solar system that has been in deep freeze for billions of years. The data will be relayed back to the tracking station at Canberra's Deep Space Communication Complex in Australia, a space tracking station which is surrounded by cows in an Australian valley. In fact, this place near Canberra will become the first place in the world to get close-up images of Pluto, the most distant planetary body ever explored. Mankind has never visited Pluto either by robots or manned missions because it's just too far away. New Horizons, which is the fastest spacecraft ever launched, is supposed to send a message back to Earth, a key message that will determine if the mission has been a success. Each piece of data will then take about 4.5 hours to transmit, with the full data set taking about 15 months to complete. Will we get mind-blowing photographs of Pluto, the likes of which have never been seen? All right, this is a NASA website that we've gone across to at this stage, and there is in minutes we should know whether there has been damage to the spacecraft, whether it will be in a position to send back those images. Remember, we won't be getting back those images immediately. It'll take some time to process. But the question is this: has the spacecraft actually managed to get to 12,500 kilometers of the surface of Pluto? Absolutely unbelievable if it manages to do that. At that range, even small debris off the surface of what has been called a dwarf planet could damage the spacecraft. One certainly hopes that doesn't happen. Will we get a close-up look at this dwarf planet, which would be absolutely incredible? Very few images of any standing or any quality really do exist of Pluto. The goal of the New Horizons spacecraft is to ensure that our understanding of Pluto goes up exponentially. There is a belief among scientists that Pluto holds a lot of secrets as far as the origins of the universe is concerned. This is animation from NASA on the spacecraft, the New Horizons, as it makes its path across space. It makes its journey across space in the direction of Pluto, from which it is expected. It is just 12,500 kilometers away. That's no distances at all, as if one looks at space and space travel. But the images that the spacecraft takes, one hopes, will be breathtaking.